Dinesh, happy Dhanteras, and since it is Dhanteras, I'm going to start by asking you if you've got a trading call on gold.
Yeah, happy Dhanteras to you as well. And definitely this Dhanteras brings in a good volume and simultaneously a better gains in gold and silver. Presently, we could see gold prices rallied almost from 67,000 to 79,000. It is close to the all-time high levels. We expect a dip of around 100 rupees from here. 78,700 should be a good buy level. Upside should be 79,050. And stop loss should be maintained at 78,480. There are a series of events that are going to happen in the week to end of this week. Today there is a jobs data is there, consumer confidence is there, then there is GDP data is there. But I think all this data is going to support gold, and the rally is likely to continue in this week as well.
What about silver, Dinesh? What are you doing with that particular precious metal?
Silver has a strong momentum as compared to gold as of now. We see prices almost moved up 22,000 from the bottom of 78,000 levels. It almost tasted 1 lakh rupees level. Currently, it is trading around 97,600, 700 levels. A dip of 200 rupees, say 97,400 should be a best buying level. A good opportunity to invest in. By the end of this week, we expect prices crossing 1 lakh again. Intraday target should be 99,200. Stop loss to be maintained below 96,200 levels.
All right. Now, what are your other base metals which are in your radar, Dinesh, at the moment?
Base metals are trading in a very range-bound manner. I mean, we can see copper around trading at 832 levels and 840 levels. It's trading within this 8 to 10 rupees since last 3-4 days. But it's creating a base around 834 levels. I think should be a good buying level for now. 842, 849 should be the upside potential, and stop loss to be maintained below 829 level. Simultaneously, aluminum is also making a base around 241. 241, 241.20 should be a good buying level. 245 should be the target, and stop loss to be maintained below 238 levels.
Are you also expecting range-bound movement for crude, Dinesh? Because I know that we've had a lot of conflicts across different parts of the world. But on the other side, there is always OPEC who keeps on suggesting that there won't exactly be any, cut in production. What's the way forward here?
Despite so much of tension escalating, there is always a conflict, and it just gives a spike. Fundamentally speaking, crude does not have any upside potential, and it is into a bearish zone. Slowly and steadily, prices are moving towards again the recent low of 55.70 levels. I think any pullback of 20-25 rupees from here, 57.15, 57.20 should be a selling level. Downside, we expect around 55.80 levels. 57.75 should be the stop loss. The trend looks quite bearish to me. Despite of being all the tensions around, it is trading in line with the fundamentals. The supply is ample, sufficient, and the demand is not up to the mark.
All right, Dinesh, a quick view on what you are making of the US dollar Indian rupee pair as well.
Yeah, it is trading above the 84 level, and I think the major support lies around 83.80 levels. As long as it trades above 84, we expect target of around 84.40, 84.45 levels. Downside, I don't think it should be breaching 83.80 levels.
Okay, Dinesh, we leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining us and taking us through